Guys, it's Matthew here. I'm on a boat right now. I can't really go up there because my mom and dad is up there. I don't really want to really talk up there because half of my cousins are up there. And hey, look, I'm right there. And I will make a Fnaf 3 gameplay, but I'm on night 4 and geez, it's hard. I might die. Whenever I get jump scared from Chica, I just go like, oh! BB, nah. Freddy just came out of nowhere once and I literally just got scared. Foxy, oh my gosh, he scares me. And yeah, this is just a random video, so bye guys, and I'll see you in the next video.